In this challenge, you have three tasks to do using regular expression. First one is removing special characters from a string. If there are any special characters, you have to remove them. Then like once we learn how to remove special characters, you can also remove extra spaces. If there are multiple spaces in a string, you can remove them. It means multiple spaces in between words, so you can remove them. Then we will also see how to find the number of words in a string. These are the three things you have to do. So I will explain first one, then you write on the program by yourself. See, first one, if suppose there is a string str and the string is A and the exclamation special character, B @ another special character, C, this is hash, then $1 is there, 2 percentile is there, 3, this is enough. Now in this there are special characters like exclamation, @ and hash, dollar and percentile. So you have to remove this and the final string should be ABC 1 2 3. So only what is allowed? Alphabets and numbers are allowed. Or else let us take one of the alphabet as a capital letter. So capital letters are also allowed. So lowercase alphabets, uppercase alphabets as well as numbers are allowed. Other letters should not be there in a string. So you have to remove them. So for removing, we can replace them. Yes, there is a method called replace. There is a method called replace which will replace one existence or one occurrence, and replace all will replace all occurrences. This is there in string class. String class. Now here you have to write down a regular expression for which we have to define special characters. Then that should be replaced with empty string. So it will be replaced with an empty string. Empty string means empty contents, nothing. So simply it will be removed. Don't even give space in between these double quotes. Now you have to write down this regular expression. So take a pen and paper and write it by yourself. I'm waiting for you to finish. Have you done? You can pause the video and do it. Okay, very good. So you have tried it. So let me show you that. See, okay, I don't know whether it will fit in this space or not. What is allowed is A to Z, lowercase, capital A to capital Z. No space in between, no space. Then 0 to 9 numbers are allowed, right? These are all allowed. So use a symbol not. So if it is not among these, change it to a empty place, sorry, empty string, right? No space, nothing. If it is not among these, change it to empty place. So this should be removed. So nothing is introduced here, right? This is just removed. So empty string is added. So just after A, you will find just B. So try this, write a program and check it. Pause the video here and write just 2 lines of code and check it. It's a 2-line code. Have you done it? Okay. So let me show you. So confirm your results. I will write a string here, string str assign A with exclamation, capital B with @ and C with a dollar, that is hash, and 1 with a dollar, 2 with percentile and 3. This is the string. Now, I will replace as well as I will print it on the screen. So I will directly write it inside system.out.println. Okay. Now here str dot replace all, this method. I will take this one, right? Not just one occurrence, all occurrences. Now here I should write down regular expression. So the regular expression is not. First of all, I'll write not, then A to Z, capital A to capital Z, then 0 to 9. If it is not among these, just empty string. So all those special characters will be replaced with empty string. So that will be gone. It will be removed. Let us run it. Yes, A capital B C 1 2 3 I got. That's it. It is working perfectly. You can try it for various strings. You can try different special characters and you can check it. So this is how you can remove special character. If there are any special characters in a string, you can remove them with the help of this regular expression. And by calling replace all method. Let us go to next task. First one we have finished. Now second one, I will take one string str abc spaces de and many spaces fgh and many spaces and then I j k. This is a string. Now you have to replace these spaces with just one single space. These are extra spaces. Remove them and change them with a single space. Which method you will use? Again, you can use str.replaceAll. Now here you mention regular expression. After that, it should be replaced with just one single space. We don't want to remove the space. We want to have only one space. Remove extra spaces. That's it. So what we have to do now? If there are multiple spaces, then replace with single space. Then how do you define a space? So I have shown you meta characters in regular expression. So that is /s/s. But single slash means this will be taken as a escape sequence character, right? In C, C++ as well as in Java, there's a escape sequence, so it gives an error. So to nullify the effect of this escape sequence character, you have to use double backslash. Then this means small s, right? Not capital S. Capital S means not a space. Small s means space. How many spaces? One or more. If there are one or more spaces, then replace with a single space. And that's it. So this is, you can try in your program. And one more thing, if there are any leading spaces, before A if you have extra spaces, after K if you have extra spaces, you can remove them by using trim. Trim method is there, already I have shown you. So you can use trim method and replace it. So directly I have given you regular expression. Now you write down the code, write the program by yourself. Pause the video and do it. Okay, I will show you the program. So the same thing, I will just change it with a new string ABC spaces DEF GH then spaces IJK. Then this should change. Now here I will write on the regular expression double backslash s and plus. They should be replaced with single space. Let us check. Yes, all those extra spaces are removed. We have just one single space in between each word. Now what about if I have extra spaces here in the beginning? Let us check. It's coming as it is, just one space I got. So if there are leading or tailing spaces, if these spaces are there, I don't want them. So just use dot trim. Can you use multiple methods on a string? Yes. See, str.replaceAll dot trim. So what happens actually, I will explain you. This string will get replaced. So it will give a new string. And dot string, we are using trim. Every method upon a string generates a new string. It will not modify the existing string, right? So this will return a string. And upon that string, we are calling trim method. Let us check. We cannot see this tailing spaces, but we can see the leading space. It was converted to one single space. Even that should be gone. Yes, it is gone. You can see that A is starting from the leftmost corner. So this tailing spaces, there is no space after this. There is no space. If I don't use a trim, let us check what happens. I will run and show you. See, it is starting from here. So after K there is a space. Before A also there is a space. That's why this is getting selected. So by using trim, you can remove leading or tailing spaces. All right. Now in between the words, we have removed by using regular expression. So dot trim is okay. Now let us see the last thing that we have to do. Now last thing is a simple task. I will run the code and show you. First of all, I will explain. See, we want to find out how many words are there in a string. Now suppose if this is a string, so 1, 2, 3, 4 words are there. 4 words are there, right? So I want to count these words. But in between the words, if there are multiple spaces, I should remove those spaces, then count them, because words can be counted based on a space. So I will show you one method how to remove this one. So there is a method called split, and you can split a string based on regular expression. We will split it based on space. So for a space, use a meta character, that is /s. So this will be a space. Based on the space, this will be broken down into multiple words. So you can count the number of words. This is what we are going to use it. I will write down the code and show you. See, already I have one string. There are 4 words in this, leading and tailing spaces, and in between multiple spaces. All of them I am removing by using this. So I will generate a new string out of this. I will prepare str equal assign with this one. So in str, I will be having a string without any extra spaces. Just there are 4 words, so there will be 1, 2, 3 spaces. Now next thing what I will do is I will call split method. So let us call that str.split. Okay. This split method takes a regular expression, and my regular expression is /s. So this will split and give array of strings. It will give array of strings. So we don't know what does it mean by array, but simply just use it. I am using it. Okay. Once again, I will show you dot split. So you can see here the return type shown here is string, right? String array, square brackets. So let us call it and /s. I will split it based on that. So I will take it in words. I will take it as array of words. So this is how array looks like. We will be learning about array after few sections. So right now I am just using it. Don't worry about it. Okay, if you know about arrays, it's very good. It will give array of words from this, and they are separated based on spaces. Okay, you can give any regular expression based on which you can split a string. So you will get that many different strings. So we will be getting strings based on the words. Now what is the length of this array? Words dot length. This should give me number of words. As many words, that will be the length of this array. So I will print length of the words. So let us run. 4 words. I have 4 words. Yes, it is correct. So this split method will split a string based on the spaces. There were extra spaces, so this may give you more than 4 words. So that's why I have first removed all spaces and make them a single space. Then I am using this split to get the words, each word separately in an array. I am finding the length of the word, so that gives the number of words. So that's all in this video. Hope you have practiced all these. So if you have not done, then again just watch the video, you try it by yourself and take the help from the video. These are all simple tasks.